Hey, hi, hey, what's up? Hi. Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm back. I've been gone for a little bit, but I'm back now, and I'm okay. I'm feeling good. I've been out of it for like, when was the last time I posted a video? I think it was like November or something like that, when it was like, well, I know it was the Inktober thing, and then we did the prize of who won, and that was like in November. But I think that was the last time I posted anything. And you know, the thing is, this YouTube thing is it takes a lot out of you, and that's one thing that I'm learning, is that, you know, when you do this kind of stuff, you have to, when you're like a one-man show or one-man army, it takes a lot to accomplish, you know, just a couple of videos. It takes a lot out of you, and I didn't realize how much work is put into this YouTube thing. So everybody out there that's doing YouTube, I'm just gonna say this, like, you have to like dedicate yourself, and you have to like manage your time really well in order to make something really good for people to watch. So, you know, with that being said, I might change it up a little bit. I might do things a little different now, instead of posting like every week like I was, which is really hard to do. And kudos to people out there that can do it, you know. I've been watching some people in the YouTube thing and seeing how they post, and you know, they say it's good to post like once a week on a regular to post, so that, you know, you get a good amount of subscribers and a good amount of views. But that takes a lot. It takes a lot out of it, especially when you're one person by yourself. So the people that are like YouTube, that have like 1 million+ subscribers, those guys are like, man, they really push themselves. And I'm pretty sure when they started, they didn't have much, but then they gained and they gained, and people started helping them, and they're able to, you know, do the, you know, make money off of YouTube. I'm nowhere near that, but I think that I'm gonna dial it back a little bit. I'm gonna try to post pretty regularly again. I'm gonna try to do that. I'm gonna try to get back into that and post. Maybe I'm gonna try to do, I don't know if I'm gonna do the week thing. I'm gonna try. I mean, I'm gonna try to push myself as much as I can, everyone. Like I said, it's really hard to do this, and I'm gonna try to post, I wanna say at least one video. Well, let me see, probably like one video every 2 to 3 weeks. They say it's good to post a video like once a week, like to stay current, but you know, dealing with stuff, you know, like, you know, I gotta go work, like I got a day job, you know, I gotta do. So like doing that stuff, and then working on side projects, and then working on commission work and stuff like that, it kind of really pushed myself a lot, and I really, it was tough. You know, it was really tough, everyone. So I'm back. I'm feeling pretty good. I think I'm gonna start doing things a little different here on Inking with Jay. I'm gonna do something probably more drawing stuff. It seemed like the Inktober thing went pretty good, so I'm gonna do more drawing stuff. Like I said, like, leave me comments and like in the videos, and let me know what you like, what you want to see. I'll try to post more of that kind of stuff. So like that first part of Inking with Jay, we'll just call like that. We'll just call it like season 1. Like that'll be like season 1 of Inking with Jay. So this Inking with Jay, it's still Inking with Jay. Like, we're still gonna talk about tools and stuff like that, but it's just not gonna be more in the tools area. It's gonna be more of drawing what like techniques there are of you know, when you're actually working on a piece of art. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna probably post more videos like that. So it's gonna be more like hands-on, and if you have questions, like, you know, like, please ask questions. You know, that's what we're here to learn. You know, and I'll try to answer the question the best I can, best of my ability. And like I said, that's what I'm gonna do now on this, I guess you can call it season 2 of Inking with Jay. I think I had like, what, like 8 videos? It's not a lot of videos, but I think this one, I guess we can call it season 2, Inking with Jay. So stick with me, and we're gonna get into stuff like that, okay? All right, everyone, be good.